sold.
Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, ArchieLuxury channel. Today guys, I'm staying at the Grace Hotel. So this is a hotel I've stayed at before, and it's undergone some room renovations. So I'd like to do a review with the new room. So the Grace Hotel is on York Street in the CBD. The Grace Hotel itself, it's quite nice. It's a little bit dated. It wouldn't be 5-star. It's kind of, how would you put it? The Grace is a 4-star? 4-star with pretensions? That's how I'd put it. 4-star with pretensions. It's a bit of a pretentious sort of hotel, just like the whole hotel industry is. But yeah. It's cool. It's cool. So the most important thing is, let's go and take a sticky at the room. It's always the rooms. The foyers and the on the ground floor and most of the floors have really nice marble, which I must say, I do love Art Deco marble. It is a cool type of environment to exist in. Most of the floors are done in a very Art Deco type appearance. How do I find the Grace? It's a great location. It has a swimming pool. It has amenities. It's a little bit on the tired side, but it's quite nice. The floors themselves, well, you don't have as much marble. We've got some casual waiting area. We've got some sofas. It looks a little bit 1950s. I'm just waiting for Bob Menzies to walk around the corner, and that's the kind of hotel it is. It's it is a little bit of a rabbit warren. You go through the hallway, which I think it may be just a bit of linkage with different hotels. You know how they add a wing, and then they kind of, over the years, it grows bigger. So I kind of suspect it's the same thing with this hotel here. Now, I am actually staying in the more modern room. This hotel has undergone an extensive renovation, and let's take a look. Looking at the new room. Here we go. And voila, what do we have? Well, it's looking very modern. It's very modern. Take a look here. I gotta say, the oak timber flooring there, we've gone from 1950s to, I don't know how to put it. It's Ikea chic. Ikea chic. It's a little bit too trendy for the rest of the hotel. We've got a comfortable king-size bed, and we've got some useful amenities. We've got a couple of simple tables. We've got a little seat, a love seat, a duvet to sit on. We've got the traditional rack for your suitcase. And we've got a little waiting area here. Because I am a VIP, being the YouTube celebrity, champagne on ice was ready in the room. Unfortunately, with the amount of calories in a glass of alcohol, I gave it to a wench in the street. The room itself, modern and nice. It's a little bit too modern for the rest of the hotel. Let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom is always an important room. A little bit too trendy. This is the sort of bathroom I'd expect in the Ice Hotel in Sweden with the Northern Lights. The toilet, how do you press? Where is the button? It's a little bit too smart with these type of pushing buttons there. So I gotta say, little bit too trendy, a little bit too arty-farty. We have a nice basin. We've got towels underneath. Yeah, I don't know if I like reaching under the sink to get my towels. Upmarket cosmetics, a really modern shower, a little bit too modern. As I said, this is the sort of shower you'd expect at the Swedish Ice Hotel. So it's just a wee bit on the modern, ultra perfect size there. Look, it is very nice. It is lovely. It's cool. It's trendy. I'm happy I'm booked in. But what do I think? Yeah, we've got a bit of a view here. Got a view of Sydney. Yep, they tried. They tried very hard. Yes, you've got to give it some points. Yeah, it's quite okay. I'm quite pleased with the Grace Hotel. So what can I say there? I'm Archibald Chesterfield III, AC fucking 3, doing hotel reviews. What did I think? I didn't mind the Grace. The Grace is okay. What did I think? It's an okay hotel. So there you go, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, tell your fuckwit friends, put some nasty comments, and don't be afraid to email me. I do paid reviews. I also got special offers for Patreon supporters. I give you secret videos. ArchieLuxury signing out, fuckers. Cut.
A lot of paraphernalia in your trade.
Yeah, cymbals, chimp, bongo, tambourine.
What are these things?
These are clays.
What are they for?
Set of rhythms the Latin Americans did. Here, let me show you. See? Very simple.
Indeed. Very simple. The ends of the guitar strings, the claves used for Latin American rhythms. And then he approached his victims from the rear, looped the wire over their heads, and